So I lost my Sony PSP's charger, so I ordered a new one through Aliexpress. Incredibly, you still can buy a new one on Aliexpress. I will put the link and on the description below if you want to buy one. This is the package. It only took like 7 days to arrive, so very good time for the shipment. Let's see the content. This is the charger. Seems a generic charger for 5 volts. Oh, no, it's not generic. It says PSP, so it is a proper Sony PSP charger. European connection, European plug, because I live in Barcelona, so I need the European plug. And this is the plug for the console. Okay, let's see if it works. Here is the PSP. I'm going to plug it through the electricity. Okay, it is plugged. This is the PSP hole. At least the color is the same. Ooh, it's very hard. Okay, yeah, it works. You can see here how it is charging, so it seems it is a good product for my Sony PSP. Good replacement for the original charger I lost. Thanks for watching.